My name is Katie Lyon. I work for a company called PureStake, which is located in Boston in the United States. And we are focused today on infrastructure services for blockchain, but we're expanding that focus with a few other projects that we have in the works. My background is actually in marketing. I run marketing here, but I've worked in a number of different industries across kind of the tech space, particularly tech startups.
And I'm Nate Hamilton, focused on business development for PureStake. So to echo some of the stuff Katie talked about, we're focused on infrastructure as a service today, but we have some new projects that we're working on that there should be more detail coming out in the next couple months. My background is traditionally in sales, as well as business development and partner relations. So this is actually my first foray into blockchain as well. We are running a validator in Kusama and focused on basically helping that ecosystem grow as much as possible. We have a team of 13 that some of the guys are specifically focused on Kusama, and once mainnet goes live and Polkadot goes live, that we will have validators there as well. On top of that, some of the things that are in the works are going to be substrate based, so we can't give too much detail quite yet. But there will be some coming forth in the next couple of months on a substrate-based project that we're currently under development in.
So I'm really excited about the Polkadot ecosystem, particularly because of the community. I've found that the folks in the space are very collaborative, very encouraging, and overall net positive, which I think is something that is unique to the space. And people are both enthusiastic about the technology, but also just enthusiastic about working together collaboratively, which I think is the heart of interoperability. So I'm very pleased so far with our interactions with other people in the space, and I look forward to working with them more.
For the ambassador program, we're actually tomorrow night, we have our first meetup in Boston. Looks like there's going to be around 75 to 100 people that we've got about 120 registered or so. So it's going to be kind of an intro to Polkadot and starting the meetup series. So it's going to be pretty high level. Derek Yu, our CEO, is actually going to be the one giving the presentation. But from there, we expect that to spawn off into a couple more meetups this year on Polkadot, and hopefully get some other folks who are building on Substrate or who are just interested in the ecosystem and really start to build up the Boston awareness of Polkadot.
For me, I think the ambassador program has been really rewarding as a non-technical contributor. So there's so many things that are needed across the space. And I think it's an opportunity for someone like myself who is not necessarily overly technical to contribute to things that matter.
Yeah, and just to echo on top of that, it's something that anybody can really do. And like Katie mentioned, I'm not a coder, I'm not super technical by nature, but where we can add value is being able to help get these events put together, get people together and talk about it. It gives you the ability to really add something and give back to the ecosystem, as well as it helps our company's awareness in the ecosystem of Polkadot.